Hello, Koto here. Guys, I want to talk about this yesterday mini signals a little bit. So we have a very good VIX 24, but it is a range day. Basically, it is a very big range, 52 handles, but it is still a range. And what does this mean? That traders selling highs and buying lows. We have no clear trend here. So, for example, we have this candle, see next candle, we have a tail, then a doji, then we have a breakout up. It was the rocket trade and it was a quick loss because we have this kind of up and down, then reverse down. It is icebreaker, but I actually don't like this icebreaker too much. Why? Because first it is just reverse here, and you see traders buying this, it is a doji, and uh, when it is go up and then down the same number of candles, so it is very good chance for traders to buy this low double bottom, and we're still above moving average, so it is pretty bullish scenario. That's why you can skip on that, or I do just I do not skip icebreakers. I just do smaller position to make it more safe. Then we have a couple more. This was a loss, of course. Then we have several of this as well. So the same, look, we have new low, but just two ticks. I believe we have this two ticks here, and then one more, and then next icebreaker. And I want to show you basically two signals, very good signals. First this icebreaker, and second this trade. It is not the rocket, of course, nothing about it, but it is a very good trade, and I explain you why. I actually got only this one and missed this one because I was it was so quick, and I was short here. But this trade helped me to recover all the losses from icebreakers and made some dollars in the end of the day. So let's look at replay. I want to show you this replay too. I like to check everything to fix you know, these mistakes, everything with replay. So replay is pretty good. So look how we what we have here. I want to put a pause right now. See, let's make it a little bigger. Like this, a little bit bigger, and see what we have. Low 59.50, low 51. So it is two ticks. Then 51.50, four ticks. It is a little bit more. It is not icebreaker because it is next candle, so doesn't work. Here was another icebreaker. It is a little bit more. I not actually remember. Maybe it was candle. It doesn't really matter here. But see, it always do some lower low, like one tick, two ticks. So I right now I put an order not two ticks below, but three ticks below, because I don't like to have this two tick trap. Okay, so let's run and see what we have. Low 47, so we should do it 40, 47. And also, because it is range up and down, we also move a little bit more. So we use smaller position at a little bit bigger stop. You should adopt it because adapt it to the market conditions. It is very important to be flexible here, because let's see how it works. I know that it will work, but I actually want to show you another situation, not specifically this signal, but I want to show you how it what happened next after this specific scenario. So this part of the trade. So look what we have. Let's do a little bit not so fast. So we break below, and then we have a couple of move up and down, and then it started to go down. So right now we are okay to move stop to break even, and then wait what is going on. So we should basically wait here 1-2 candles. I want to wait here. It is pretty okay. We have around 10 handles, and I managed to close one account just around this double bottom, but another account I closed a little bit worse. Look what I want to show you what is going on here. So we will wait this candle, and then look, we have like 10 handles, right? 47, around 10 handles, and then we start. So we break out from this big range, and we have a choice. Maybe we have a trend, maybe we have move up, another, maybe we'll have another range just a little bit lower here. We actually have reversal, another situation, and how it looks like. So let's make it fast here. I cannot do more than 400%, but I believe it should be fine as well for you. So it starts to see like go up. It is not actually going down, but it is not so good. So good candle for us, because see how tail it has. And I wanted to, to close it, but sometimes we just have a pullback and go down. So I waiting here. What I do, I just wait another candle. We have two scenarios, as I said. First scenario, we just rely on mass, and I believe it is a best case scenario for you to start with, at least like 100 trades, maybe do like this. We just wait around 20 handles and do nothing. If we hit zero, it is good. It is zero. But right now, see how it works. It is not good for us. Very bad situation, but no point to close here because we have like $100 one contract. So what's the point? We already in break-even trade, so it is better to wait and rely on the stop, and hope for better life. And now I want to show you this a little bit slower because it is too fast. So I wanted to close here at least half, but actually it is so fast moving that it is hard to do anything here. And look, we have this candle. Look, after this first candle finished, why I did not close? Because if we wait a little bit, I want to make more like 1 minute. So after 1 minute, we have a candle like this. So very good red candle. We have pullback, and it is very good chance. So that's why I don't want to close half here, because we have a very good situation. But then it starts to like going up, and basically what is going on next, we have a little bit down, almost double bottom. I wanted to close here and then re-enter here or add here. It is several options. I wanted to actually double my position here after this breakout, but it never happened. And what is going on next? we have this situation, and it is very bad here. So it was just up and down, no follow through. Very, very bad scenario for us. And when you sit here with, with short, you thinking about how to basically close your position, okay, with maximum profit. And here how it works. So we basically almost until the end have pretty okay bar, but then last possible minute it was like this. So it is worst case scenario for us, it could be. But you could close here, of course, but it's better to look at least here, maybe, because nothing, even right now you have nothing to do. Basically you already lost around 6 handles here, and this is very good scenario for bulls, okay, if you buy above this. And right now, of course, I can stop and put this here. Let's say high 45.25. Let's put it 45 70. Okay, so how much it hit? Sorry, take it. How much it should be? 45.50. So like this. Okay. Now why it is removing? I believe because of, let's do it very like this. Okay. So when it is on pause, it is just, we can have small stop. It doesn't really matter, and then wait. Look, um, we can buy market here just to be out. What I did before, because after this somewhere here, but this is a very good situation to buy. So see how it works. See, one I did not do it before, but I know that it is pretty good scenario basically. Now where this my order should be here, it is some I don't know, some shenanigans going on with this replay. Maybe I messed up with the orders, but I basically should have it here. Okay, 45.50, about, just above this, and then we can put it to 0 and wait. So this is what I want to show you, but it is so fast happened, and I had no chance to do it in real trading environment. So what I wanted to show you actually here, that market works almost like always in motion, and it is very easy to look at the situation and understand, okay, it is good to buy here, it is good to sell here, it is good to sell maybe here or here, but it is not like static picture here, and that's why you should have experience and you should have do all this stuff. So idea is very simple: sell new low of the day like this, but it is very a lot of things to look at, and you can rely on math, of course, but it is better rely on math and experience, and skip trades that is not appropriate from the price action point of view. Like this trades doesn't mean any sense, not make any sense to like sell full position here right now, like at these candles, because you have a range and traders will buy here. You do not have a stop here, do not have stop losses here, do not have any force to move our price down. Here it was a stops from these guys. Okay, so someone sells here, someone sells here, and then they managed to make it down and closed. So all the sellers basically closed here, and if we have another group of sellers that did not close, they out here like I did basically after this very bad candle, and that's why we have this move up. And see how it works then. So this is a price action understanding, and is very important for trading. So if you want to study all this stuff, we start with simple code of trading strategy video course. Go to Trader 65. This is 997 course, and it is zero risk for you. You love it or you keep it free. If you don't like the course, by I don't know, maybe it is not for you, the style of trading, or anyway, I believe you will love it as I do, and will continue to work with me. So this is my idea. But if you don't like, I'm okay, totally okay. I want you to be happy, to be profitable, and make money all the time. So this is my review for today. See you. Go to trader65.com and buy the course if you want.